Are you struggling to be more efficient and faster while working on your Windows 10 computer? If yes, then you should not skip this video, as this video will be a big time saver and a productivity hack for you. Hello everyone, I hope you're doing great. So today in this video, we'll be taking a look at some of the shortcuts that you can use while you are working on your Windows 10 computer. So without further talking, let's get into the video. The first shortcut will be used to create a new virtual desktop. This is helpful when you have a lot of applications and documents open and you want to create another clean desktop to work with. To do this, just press the Windows key plus CTRL+D at the same time, and this will create a new virtual desktop for you. To switch between the different virtual desktop, just press the Windows key, Control, and left or right arrow key accordingly. Now if you want to close a virtual desktop, then just press the Windows key plus CTRL+F4 buttons, and this will close your virtual desktop. The second shortcut will be used to open different applications from the taskbar. As you can see, I have a couple of applications that I have pinned on my taskbar. Now to open any of these applications, just press the Windows key plus the number corresponding to the application. For example, if I want to open Google Chrome, then I'll press Windows key plus 1. And in the same way, if I want to open Photoshop, so I will be pressing Windows key plus 9, as Photoshop is the 9th application on my taskbar. The third shortcut will be used to return to desktop from different applications. This is used when you're working in a number of different applications and you want to go to the desktop quickly. To do this, just press the Windows key plus M and you'll be straightly sent to your desktop. The fourth shortcut will be used to split screen between two applications. To do this, when you're using any application or window, just press the Windows key plus left or right arrow accordingly. This is pretty much needed when you're working in two different applications or two different documents. The fifth shortcut will help you to switch between different applications quickly. In order to do this, press Windows key plus Alt plus Tab, and this will show you all the different applications that are currently running on your Windows. Just click on any application to switch to it. There is another quicker method to switch between different applications, which is by pressing the Alt plus Tab. And make sure you keep on holding the Alt button and keep on tapping the Tab button, and this will cycle between the opened applications. And to open the selected application, just release the buttons and that's it. The sixth shortcut will delete a file or folder permanently. I know you have got some files that you want to delete permanently, and for this reason, just select the file or the folder and press the Shift key plus Delete. This will ask you whether you want to delete or not. Just click yes and it's gone. The seventh shortcut will open the File Explorer. There are times when you want to open the File Explorer faster without using your mouse. Now to open this, press the Windows key plus E at the same time and your File Explorer will pop up in front of you. The eighth shortcut will help you to manage programs and troubleshoot them. In simple terms, this shortcut will open up the Task Manager, which you can use to manage your running programs, and if any of the other running programs is not responding, then you can use this quick shortcut to open the Task Manager and close the unresponsive applications. Just press the CTRL+SHIFT+ESC key together and Task Manager will be opened up in front of you. The ninth shortcut is used when your computer is not responding. You know, there are a lot of times when your computer doesn't respond to anything and there's just a frozen screen and you cannot do anything. For that case, just press the Control key plus Alt plus Delete. This will open up another window which contains options like Lock, Switch User, Sign Out, and Task Manager. If the previous method didn't work for you to open the task manager, then you can try this method as well. The 10th shortcut will open the magnifier. Just press the Windows key, and while holding it, press the plus or minus button to zoom in or out respectively. The 11th shortcut will take a quick screenshot of your windows. This is really helpful when you want to quickly take a screenshot of something which is really important to you. Maybe you're doing some kind of research work or anything like that. Now to do this, just press the Windows key plus print screen button, and this will take a quick screenshot which gets saved into the picture folder of your Windows. The 12th shortcut will also take a screenshot, but you can choose which area you want to capture. To do this, just press the Windows key plus Shift plus S. And then just select the region that you want to capture, and that's it. The 13th shortcut is used to open the Action Center. The Action Center contains some really important features like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, controlling brightness, etc. Now to open the Action Center quickly, just press the Windows key plus A button on your keyboard, and then your Action Center will open up. The 14th shortcut will help in quick connection between different Bluetooth devices. Now to do this, press Windows key plus K, and this will open the Bluetooth menu where you can choose different devices if you want to connect them to. It's pretty easy and quick. This is something that I use every day. But do remember one thing, that this menu only shows the devices that you have paired before. The 15th shortcut will open up the settings of your Windows. Press the Windows key plus I, and your settings window will open up in front of you. The 16th shortcut is for quick search. Trust me guys, there are times when we want to search for something really important in a hurry, and that time this shortcut comes really handy. Just press the Windows key plus S, and then this will open up the search window. There you can search for anything you want and your results will be out in front of you. Now let's try the 17th shortcut, which is also related to quick search, but it is useful when you're browsing the web or even browsing in Windows Explorer. While browsing the web, if you want to search for a specific word, just press Ctrl key plus F to open the Find menu. Here, if you want to type in a word that you want to search for, then this feature will show you the words in the web page and even highlight them as well. You can also use this shortcut in Windows Explorer as well. Just press the Ctrl key plus F while you are in the File Explorer, and then just type in the file name that you want to search. And that's it. The 18th shortcut is used for opening up the Windows Game Bar. Windows Game Bar is really essential for the gamers out there who would want to record or take a look at the system resources during a gaming session. To use this, just press the Windows key plus G key on your keyboard to open the Windows Game Bar. After that, you will know what you need to do. And also a quick tip, if you press the Windows key plus Alt key and R all in the same time, then you can start recording instantly. Let it be your work or your favorite video games, it just works. The 19th shortcut is locking your PC. Imagine you're working on something really important and you don't want others to see what you're working on. Maybe it's a top secret project or anything as such. And for that reason, this shortcut will help you out. Just press the Windows key plus L buttons and then your PC will instantly get locked and no one would know what you are working on. The 20th shortcut is opening the emoji board or emoji keyboard, whatever you want to call it. If you're having a chat with your friends or family or anyone and you want to express some more feelings by adding some emoji, then try this out. Just press the Windows key and the full stop button on your keyboard, and then this emoji board will pop up and you can add emoji to your texts. Well, these were some of the useful shortcuts for Windows 10 computer. If you really love this video, then please do like, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel as we'll bring more useful tips and tricks like this one. Take care, and I will see you next time. Bye!